Welcome to Whiteboard Programming, where we simplify programming with easy to understand whiteboard videos, and today I'll be sharing with you what is SAP MM. So let's get started. SAP MM is short for SAP Material Management System and is responsible for delivering following roles. SAP MM is a part of logistics function and it helps in managing the procurement activities of an organization. It supports all aspects of material management system, for example, planning, control, etc. It is the backbone of logistics that incorporates modules such as sales and distributions, production planning, plant maintenance, project systems, and warehouse management. Now, some of you might think, what is material management in general? Well, material management is a process that ensures that no shortage of materials or any gaps are present in the supply chain of the organization. SAP MM being one of the modules of SAP that deals with material management and inventory management, it deals with managing the materials, be it products or service, and resources of an organization with the aim of accelerating productivity and reducing cost. At the same time, SAP MM is quite versatile to accommodate any changes that are frequent in any business environment. It deals with procurement process, master data, be it material or vendor master, account determination and valuation of materials, inventory management, invoice verification, material requirement planning, etc. The material management module in SAP consists of several components and subcomponents. The most prominent and widely used are master data, purchasing, inventory management, and pricing procedure. All of these components have their subcomponents that are essential in specific business process, but all of these processes are executed by using transactions. So if you don't know, transactions in SAP means processing of certain information in order to complete business process requirement. For example, if you have purchased 10 pieces of little buckets, you can perform a particular transaction code, be it T code, that will reflect those changes in SAP. Most of the business processes involve multiple SAP transactions to be accomplished and are spread over 1, 2 or more modules. Now let's briefly talk about various sub-modules in SAP MM. Number 1. Master Data. Now as we all know that data stored in SAP R3 is categorized as either master data or transactional data. Master data is the core data that is used as a base for any transaction. If you are producing, transferring stocks, selling, purchasing, doing a physical inventory, or whatever your activity may be, it requires a certain amount of master data to be maintained. Some examples of master data include material master data, customer master data, vendor master data, pricing or condition master data, and warehouse management master data. We also call it as storage bin master data. Number 2. Purchasing. Purchasing as a component of SAP MM module can roughly be depicted in the following diagram, where MRP or Material Resource Planning creates procurement proposal and later gets converted into purchase requisition or PR. Next step is to assign a source to purchase requisition and release of purchase requisition. The PR gets converted to purchase order or PO, and upon goods receipt, an invoice receipt can be done to complete the purchasing process. Additionally, the payment is processed in the finance module. Number 3. Inventory management. Now, inventory management is used to manage inventory of goods. It is based on several key processes like definition of movement types, reservations, goods issued, and goods receipt. Further, there are a number of functions and transactions used in inventory management processes, and we'll try to cover them in another video. Up next is number 4. Pricing procedure. Now, pricing procedure in MM module is a way to determine prices in a purchasing document. It gives us functionality to assign different calculation types for different needs. Now, defining a pricing procedure can be done by creating an access sequence and assigning it to condition types. Access sequence tells the system where to look for a condition value. Here is a diagram to help you out. With that, I hope this video was helpful to you and served value. If you love my content, be sure to smash that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do, as it keeps me motivated and helps me create more content like this for you.